Let's make a simple flower with 5 petals that can be added to any crochet project.
To demonstrate this flower, I'll be using a Susan Bates G crochet hook, Coboo yarn by Lion Brand, so it's a 3-weight. So this will make a small flower. So let's make a slip knot. There are many different ways to make a slip knot. Chain 3, and join in a ring. I like to grab that tail, pull it under, and then chain 4. This makes the first loop for the petal, and then single crochet in this ring, getting in front of that knot while crocheting over that yarn tail. It can feel a little bit fiddly at first. All right, so we have a chain 4 and a single crochet in the ring. This first chain counts as a single crochet. Now we will chain 3 and single crochet in the ring, chain 3 and single crochet in the ring. We need 5 loops to make 5 flower petals, and we have 3. 1, 2, 3 chains to make our 4th loop for a flower petal. Now shove those over just a little bit. This is our last loop. Chain 3, and then we will join in the first chain of the beginning, chain 4. There we go. We have 5 loops to make 5 flower petals. All right, so now we chain 1 and single crochet in the loop, 1 half double crochet in this loop, 3 double crochets, let's give the yarn a shove. Now 1 more half double crochet and a single crochet. That finishes our first flower petal. Now we will move on to the second flower petal and just start with a single crochet. A half double crochet, 3 double crochets. Anytime you feel like your space is getting tight, just give the stitches a shove across, and that makes more room. So we have 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 2 double crochets, so I need another double crochet and a half double crochet and a single crochet. Let me finish this all the way around. I'll speed up the camera. There's still room for 3 more flower petals. I have made the last single crochet. Let me undo that single crochet and show you again. Okay, so on this last petal I have executed, I went directly from one petal to the next petal with just executing a single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, a half double crochet, and I need to finish with a single crochet. So let me restate. Each flower petal does not have a slip stitch in between each flower petal. You go from single crochet to single crochet, single crochet to single crochet, then make your flower petal. Let me finish this last single crochet. Get that yarn tail out of the way. And then slip stitch in the beginning, in the very first single crochet. That looks cute. Let me snip this off. That's an adorable flower. Isn't that cute? Now, if you choose to use a larger hook and a larger yarn, you're going to get a larger flower. If you choose to use thread and a small hook, you'll get a much smaller flower than this. This flower is approximately 2 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide, maybe 2 3/4 inches wide. Now, take the yarn tails from the back, this yarn tail, and use a yarn needle to weave it to this end and then pull it together, and then you have yarn tails to sew onto a flower. I have a chemo cap that I have used this flower on. You can make tons of these flowers in an evening while watching TV. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial on how to make a simple flower, and I hope you'll come to my side of the mountain again soon. Bye.